Welcome to our channel. Transferring funds from Binance to Revolut allows you to convert cryptocurrency to traditional currency in your bank account. Here's the process. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. If you have cryptocurrency, you'll first need to sell it for your local fiat currency, like EUR or USD. Step 2. Go to Buy Crypto or Sell section on Binance. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert and choose your fiat currency. Complete the sale and the funds will appear in your fiat wallet. Step 3. Navigate to the Withdraw section in Binance and select your fiat currency. Choose the bank transfer or card withdrawal option, depending on what's available in your region. Step 4. Open your Revolut app and go to the Accounts section. Locate your account details including IBAN, account number, and bank information that Binance will need for the transfer. Step 5. Enter your Revolut bank details in the Binance withdrawal form. Include all required information such as account holder name, IBAN, and any reference numbers. Verify all details are correct. Step 6. Enter the withdrawal amount you want to send to Revolut. Binance will show you any applicable fees and the final amount your Revolut account will receive. Step 7. Confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verifications required by Binance. The processing time varies but typically takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your Revolut account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.